Morning guys. I'm not going to say good morning because we have a typhoon, as you can see. There's been lots of noise during the night. It's supposed to hit us at 6 o'clock, but it hit us long before 6 o'clock. I can't see any damage from here. It looks like it's not been a bad one, but I want to reserve reservations about that. You can see how the rain's coming down. It's just tropical storm. There's bits of flooding. I've had a look out the door. Little bits of flooding. I can't go out obviously because I'll get soaked, but this time you have a bird's eye view from our top floor. On to nicer things. This is just amazing. Look at it. I can't describe, you probably can't see on the camera lens. There's somebody out, look. They've got their weatherproofs on. There's somebody else, look, with just an umbrella. And it's been thundering and lightning as well. It's absolutely amazing. So anyway, we're sitting in minding our own business, and next door comes to us. It's her uncle's house, and he's a barangay. He's not a captain, he's part of the barangay. And he said that the lockdown's been extended till the end of May. I mean, it's just mind-blowing, really is mind-blowing. We've all had enough, guys. I'm sure you have where you are if you're in lockdown. There's people saying that their lockdowns is finished. I don't know why we're still in lockdown, because there was absolutely nothing happened here of any significance. Somebody else is out in it, look. See, this is the Philippines. People like just they'll walk out, they'll go around and check places. They ain't bothered. And do you know, this time Mel says, right, and I would have forgot. Mel says, go and get some petrol. I says, what for? She says, the generator. You know we're going to have no power, right? And no sooner did she say that, the power went off. So I went and got some fuel. She says we need some more water, so I went and got some water. And then when I come back, she says, is that all we're getting? I says, well, yeah, I guess. She says, oh no, we need another two bottles. The big blue bottles, you know, the 5-gallon things. Are they 5 gallons? Probably not 5 gallons, whatever they are anyway. So we went and got that. So we're pretty much prepared. Look at that, how that tree's going. The wind's so strong. Now, if the weather report is correct, we've got at least another 2 hours of this. It's just amazing. I could sit here ages and just watch this. It's so relaxing for me. And then there's other people saying, oh, aren't you scared? No, I'm not scared now, because this top floor is solid. It'll take a... I'm not saying it's, you know, typhoon proof. Sorry, yeah, I am saying that. It's typhoon proof, but it's not 100% typhoon. Isn't going to destroy it in some way because it's made of wood. So Mel's downstairs asleep. The kids are running around, being naughty as usual. And we've got no power, and God knows when the power's going to come back on, because they never switch it on until they know people aren't walking around in a foot of water, which is obvious because they'd all be electrocuted, and that wouldn't look good, would it? So I just wonder what you think, guys. Leave it in the comments below. What do you think? Would you feel safe being here in the Typhoon? This is my third Typhoon, and this is my best Typhoon in regards to the house not blowing down. There's not a, as far as I can see, there's not a droplet of water on the floor up here. It's totally solid. I'm surprised these haven't blown off here. So you can see the winds haven't been as bad. I'm not saying it's not bad, it's very bad. You can see it is. There's gusts of wind and they're very strong. But not sure if it's as bad as last time. However, because there's metal not flapping on the roof like it was last time, because it wasn't fully nailed down, it doesn't seem as strong. But obviously, if you're in it and your roof's banging about, I guess you'd be a little bit scared. We've had here we go. We've had two typhoons. We have literally been up all night holding the roof down, and on the second one bailing the front room out because we were flooded. It was awful. Whoa, see, wind's going a bit, can you hear? Let's calm it down a bit. No, it's not the wind, it's the rain. We took the roof pieces down. We had some old roof pieces and some new that the builder had left on the roof and we didn't know. Well, Mel knew, but she didn't tell me. So we've took them down so they can't blow off and kill somebody. Because you never want to be liable for anything here, guys, because it'll cost you a lot of money, and if you've killed somebody or seriously injured them, you'll probably go to prison. It's prison for most things here, by the way. So just bear that in mind. I want my own land with some coconut trees and some fruit trees, and seeing this how it is in the Philippines, it can go from just really bad to really good in the matter of minutes. I wonder if we're in the eye now. That's why it's stopped all of a sudden. Right. Oh my god, got to get back. It's going to go on the lens. Way. Well, apparently the typhoon's turned, allegedly.
Yeah, because the last night I checked on internet, they said that it's a 50-50 that it's gonna be Vongfong, the typhoon on our place.
50-50.
Yeah.
Alright.
So they said probably they're gonna change the direction, but I don't know what change. Maybe they go back again.
Yeah, no. This is definitely not good. Last night we heard metal roofs bang bang bang, but there doesn't look like there's been any damage. They're saying that we maybe got the tail end because it's turned, but it doesn't look like it's turned much to me. What do you think?
Maybe they go back. They go back. Right?
Yeah.
Before that, so Desmond, hello Desmond, thank you so much.
Yeah, Desmond, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You
for
know
your
who
time.
you are. There's only one Desmond ever shown any kindness.
Let's watch. Watch.
Yeah, you're gonna wash in it. It's cold. No, it's
And
not.
this is the first time that we had a
Oh,
typhoon.
mind you, it is. It's
Uy.
cold.
This is the first time
Yeah.
that we have a typhoon. Because normally,
In the
typh-
summer, you mean?
yeah. Because
Yeah.
normally it's November or in December. The
Yeah.
typhoon here.
Now, I'm saying this is cold, but just a cautionary note. It's cold compared to the west.
Yeah.
I mean, the west is freezing. This is just.
Oh my God.
It's not so hot, basically. That's what I'm saying.
Took it out the tarpaulin on that gate door.
Yeah.
She said,
Yeah, but it shouldn't be getting any worse, should it? It should be getting better.
because we don't have an update because there's no power.
No, we have no power, guys. So
As usual.
yeah. So when you see this, it's obviously going to be when we got some power back. The internet went off last night, but Mel said
Come
it's back on again.
Yeah.
So maybe if I use the generator, the problem is I can't put the generator where there isn't a
Outside.
pool of water.
Yeah. Look.
And we can't put the generator out in water for obvious reasons. We'll get electrocuted. Somebody's been electrocuted, guys.
Yeah, in Albay.
Yeah, they got on.
He trying to sort it up on the rope, but all of a sudden, you know.
He touched the electric wire,
Yeah.
and if you're standing with bare feet on metal and you touch the, you know, bye bye.
It's only 25 years old.
So I just wanted to put this into the video because we're a few hours in since the last bit you just watched.
And I hope the camera is work.
Yeah, we did a video yesterday and the damn video card was corrupt. Would you believe that? Brand new camera, and it's starting the same as the other one now. Welcome to the Philippines.
That's what I'm gonna say.
Yeah.
You can show that us on the other side.
We can't because it'll come in that side, won't it? There's not enough battery. There was only 9% battery, and that's something else.
Yay.
There you go. You see it'll all blow in here. That's the problem. Oh, we've got somebody on his balcony. Look, that's still there. So that's telling you something. Weird. As soon as the rain starts, the wind gets stronger. Well, that always happens anyway. That's normal.
You know.
So that's it, guys. I just want to add this to the video. Get Mel on it. Everybody seems to be cooking that smelly fish. That's all I can smell around here. It's disgusting.
Normally be here. When it's raining, they're frying dried fish.
Yeah, Mel's mum, bless her, she did food this morning. There's nobody out buying it. I mean,
Yeah.
she's crazy.
And
She
then-
just is.
And then Chris, you know, kids, good heart. My mom give money.
Chris Goodheart. Yeah, they didn't understand that. Say it again.
Whatever, you know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
You can.
Chris went, because she told me her mum wasn't selling any food, she had most of it. I went and give her some money.
Early morning, my dad and my mom are going because my dad, he don't want to cook, but my mom, he pursue him to cook.
So, she's probably going to have to food. Oh God, here we go. She's probably going to have to throw food away, so I went and give her some money.
You're gonna sell it afternoon.
Maybe. If this stops. This doesn't stop, you're not going to get people out, are you?
Yeah, nobody's go out.
That's the problem. There's plenty out, but not enough to buy stuff. So that's it, guys. I hope you're safe and well where you are.
Yeah, and I hope everything is alright.
Yeah, and we'll see you on the next video, guys.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye guys, stay safe.
And that's for the second time because I've already done that. This has just been added onto the video, guys. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Please subscribe to Brick in the Philippines.
sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah.